So, I have an idea. That's not always a good thing. But I do have an idea. I think that through this channel and all the kind people that watch it, we could probably help Lupita's friend whose bicycle was stolen. ¿Cómo se llama la señorita que perdió la bici, Lupita? Andrea. I'm going to have her come here on this channel. And, man, it's so easy. Like, if 50 people gave $10, you could replace the bicycle. Make her whole again. Do you think that's a good idea? You can go to my Gmail, dwightburditt@gmail.com, and I have a PayPal account there. Fuck, chip in $10. I know there's a whole bunch of you out there with a house in Canada, a house in Mazatlán, more money than fucking brains. $10 would go a long way to make this girl whole again. I don't think we can do this. ¿Tu pasando, Lupita? ¿Ayuda ella? Sí, ¿por qué no? Trying to show you, Lupita. Yeah. Anyway, yeah, I think we should do this in the spirit of what Barry and Julie are doing in getting wheelchairs. Let's make this girl whole again. That's not right. She saved and saved and saved to get a bicycle and somebody stole it. Let's make it right.